Hi, this is Omar from Droop Consultancies, and this is part 11. Here we will discuss the file management in MySQL Server. This is the CRM application for MySQL Server. This is run by 64-bit access. This one is run by, this is the admin application, which is run by Access Runtime 2007. We already configured the system. We added user 1 OMA and the computer and username configuration. We can enter the application, the CRM application directly. View contacts. Let's change that to OMA. This is the fresh copy. No, this is the first data to be entered to the system, other than the computer code in the admin application. If we now total CRM MySQL Server user 1, if I quit, for example, and I return back, it is OMA, because the important thing is the ID. It's the ID. Then the system will recognize that ID1 belongs to OMA. View, let's go for contacts, OMA, ID1. Let's upload a file. File management, upload a file. Now, upload to subfolder or upload directly. Now, you are dealing with MySQL Server. You are not dealing with a directory in Windows, but you are dealing with MySQL Server. Let's click directly. Let's click a file. Let it be this file. Click option. You can go to file management to view files, or you can directly go to view files. And this is the file in MySQL Server. The file itself is in a record. You can click to download the file, and it will be downloaded to a temporary folder. Click yes. This is the file, and this is a read-only file. You cannot add to it. You need to save it in a, for example, if I add save, this is a read-only file. You need to save it as something, and then you can add to it. The folder is beside the folder itself. If we go to this is the folder. The system will create a folder exactly at the location of the application. This is for the usage of the current user. To see the folder, you can just click here, and you can also clear temporary files in the folder. Yes, and there will be nothing in the folder. If you have the privilege in the admin application, you can edit this record, editing the name or editing the folder. At the moment, there is no folder here. Now, you can create folders in the system. For example, upload file, subfolder. This is a double-click box. There is help in the box. And if I want to add a folder, I will just click here, and let's say folder 1, folder 2, as an example. Let's have a file. Let's be this file. View files. Now, this is folder 1. It means that this file, which is note1 type txt, is under folder 1, folder 2. Now, this is helpful if you are going to find files in a specific folder or to sort files according to folder. Now, suppose we want every contact to have folders structured into it. In order to do so, we need to go to the admin application, view view CRM options, create subfolders, choose contact. Let's say education and training. Okay, exit, quit. Return back to the contacts. Let's have user 2, for example, options, upload file, subfolder, and you will find education and training already in the double click box. Just double click at education. Let's have this file, view files, and you will find this file under a folder called education. Now, when you click options and click view files, you will see the files related to this contact page, to this page. However, if you want to see all the files in the system, click view, CRM files, and these are all the files in the system. You can do search, and you can sort these records. As I said before, MySQL server type, the CRM application that deal with MySQL server is the same as the CRM application that deal with Access database, except that for uploading files, in Access database, files will be uploaded to a directory in the server, while files in MySQL server will be uploaded directly to MySQL. There is more control in MySQL server, but there is more flexibility if we are using Access database. For example, this is MySQL server, CRM files. Here, every file we can record who uploaded the file and at what time. So this will give more control to the system. Even so, suppose we want to change the name of this record, and let's make it note 5. So it is now note 5 rather than note 1.txt. If we go to change log, we will find this recorded in the changed database. It was note 1, now it is note 5. This is what I'm saying about more control for documents. This is the end of part 11. Thank you for watching.